Hey YouTube, my name is Spursh and welcome back in another video of Just a Tech YouTube channel. So today we are going to talk about Mina USB jailbreak patch. It's released by the MinaCriss itself on their Twitter handle and it's completely free. Yes, you heard it right, MinaCriss finally released the first tool which is completely free. So it's funny, I know, but it's true. So what actually this patch does and how to use it and other details we will see in a couple of minutes. So without wasting time, let's get started. So as you know that the Apple Checkra1n sliver tool comes with a great feature to fix the network calling and data in the passcode disabled devices, which is completely free and easy to use both for Mac and Windows. You can easily fix network by this tool for passcode disabled devices and activated devices, which is working perfectly, but in some devices there are jailbreak issue that comes with a -20 bootstrap upload error or -18 error. I will show you on my website. I have uploaded a complete tutorial on this, so you can check out also. So the -20 and the -18 errors that comes while the jailbreaking passcode disabled devices, and it shows sometimes unlock the iPhone to connect to the accessory. So without jailbreak we can't use the bypass tool. This also show in the latest video uploaded by the Apple Checkra1n and I'm thankful to that they show the complete process. And this is the MinaCriss patch tool that will help you to remove that error and you can easily jailbreak after that. So what actually this patch does, this patch will automatically fix the jailbreak errors that comes when you jailbreak a passcode disabled devices and unrestricted all the connection and blocking while jailbreaking. So it will fix all this by this patch. It's completely free thanks to MinaCriss for the tool. All links are in description, you can freely download from that. And this patch is only work in the diagnostic mode for the Apple devices. This mode is basically for hardware and the software test for the technician to verify the whole devices. Is kind of troubleshooting mode for the Apple devices. So the MinaCriss tool will help you to patch in this mode and then you can jailbreak easily with the Checkra1n without any issues and the error. So all the information are in my official blog, so you can check there, and you can also check the Apple Tech and the my iCloud info channel for the complete process. I will also give in the link in the description for that video also, so you can check out all the details. All information are written here. So the next question comes up, how to go to the diagnostic mode for according to your model. So you can search on the internet for the button combination of your model to enter in the diagnostic mode, mainly with the physical home button devices like 6s series, 7 and the other iPad models which have physical button can use this by first completely off your device and then connect with the charging source or a PC, and then you have to just press the volume up button plus home button and keep pressing the button for 5 to 6 seconds and you will see the diagnostic screen, and then you can release that button. After that you can use the MinaCriss patch tool. I will show in a couple of minutes how to install that. So after the patch tool you can easily jailbreak your device by Checkra1n normally, and in the device which don't have physical button like 8 series and the iPhone X, on that devices you can use power up button and power down button simultaneously and you will see the diagnosis screen. If you're still having the issue in finding the diagnostic mode, you can search on the internet and you will get the more information about your device. So as you can see, Apple Checkra1n uploaded the video on that, so you can check out there for the full tutorial. Actually right now I don't have a passcode disabled device to show you the process because of the lockdown, but after the 2-3 days I will make a proper video on this. So you can download the sliver latest tool from the official website from the Apple Tech, and you can check out my blog also for the Mina USB tool. You can easily download the tool from my blog. So all the information on the blog also you can give a different media file and the mega link, so you can check out all the information. All the information are written here. So now we have gathered all the information. Now we are ready to use for the sliver tool and the Checkra1n jailbreak without any issue. So first you have to download the MinaCriss USB patcher. So this tool is only for Mac OS. So for the Windows I don't think it will release, so you have to use the macOS only. So after the installing, if you see any untrusted source error, so just go to preferences and the security and the preferences. Now on the general tab you will see open anyway, so allow the app, you can just allow anyway. After that you are ready to install the MinaCriss patcher tool. So just follow the instruction on the screen and just simply install it. It will not take too much time. Now the installation is completed. Just go to your launchpad and you will see the MinaCriss tool. So I will go to my launchpad and here it is. Just open it. So this is the 1.0 MinaCriss USB patcher tool. So just connect in the diagnostic mode. I told you earlier how to enter it. Just enter it in the diagnostic mode and then connect it. It will show here. So like this you can patch. Just click on the patch and it will patch your device. So as I told you, I don't have a passcode disable device, so it will not work for me. But if you have a passcode disable device, just patch your device and it will work. All the links are in description. You will show like this patch is done and click on OK, and then you can ready to use for the Checkra1n jailbreak. So then just open the Checkra1n jailbreak and normally jailbreak your device, and this time no error will come and you can easily jailbreak your passcode disable device, and you can easily use sliver tool. So as you can see, there is no issue in the Checkra1n jailbreak this time. They're all done without any error after we have applied the Mina restricted patch tool. You can easily use all this, and I've shown you all the process. Go check out my blogs, all the completely free process. After you completely jailbreak, you can easily use the sliver tool by Apple Tech and can fix the network data and calling in the passcode disable activated device. All download links are in description. You can check out. This is all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video and gain some knowledge from this. If yes, then hit the like button, and if you are new here, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more information. And if you have any doubts, you can comment down below, and you can also check out my all social media handles. So till then, goodbye, take care and peace out.